Hello, my
Hi.
name is Gaurav Shenoy and I have Mangirish Wagle here with me. And this is the demonstration of a musical instrument that we have made as a part of the Mobile Lab Challenge, which we have enrolled in a course for the mobile and pervasive design. This demonstration basically uses the Arduino kit and all the other sensors and we have used these different sensors to build a musical fingerboard. The basic motivation behind this was from A.R. Rahman, who uses this very unique instrument called as the continuum fingerboard, and it's most widely used by A.R. Rahman, but it's very rarely found in other different musical songs that they play. So what we have done is that we have kind of built an extended version of the musical fingerboard, in which we have used a soft potentiometer as the actual sensor, which will detect the different motions or the fingerprint sensors. And we have used the flex sensor for as an additional extension to this particular musical fingerboard. And there are other different like the push buttons that we have used and the LED lights that we have used for demonstration. So along the demonstration, Mangirish will actually show you how we create different notes and what are the different features that we've implemented as a part of this particular project. And this was a very fun project to implement, and I hope you guys enjoyed the demonstration.
So thanks Gaurav for that wonderful introduction. So uh, here is our tiny little instrument. So the strip right here is the soft potentiometer, and as and when I'm going to tap on this strip, it is going to emit a sound. So right now I'm using, you can either use your finger or a pen. So for a better control, I'm using my pen. So it's going to sound like this. That's sa re ga ma pa or do re mi fa so on the musical major scale. So for the people who are familiar with musical notations, then the scale which is being played by default is the C major scale. So we can play a bunch of different tunes on this scale. So like for example, that was Mary Had a Little Lamb. And you can also play tunes like Happy Birthday. Unfortunately, I cannot go further because if I wish I had a bigger strip to accommodate more notes. So also you must be familiar with a very famous song called Work, 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 Work.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite songs as well.
Yeah, so we just thought of presenting that song as well. So how does it sound?
Good.
Okay. So also we have a bunch of other good features which we have tried incorporating. One is like you might be familiar with the keyboards that you have in nowadays. They usually come with a pitch bend kind of knob which you find at the side of the keyboard. So we have tried implementing a pitch bend using a flex sensor here, and it creates a bend sound. So if I hold the sound, and that's a bend sound. So I'm going to play a very famous tune, or a very famous tune called Nagin. For the people who aren't familiar with what Nagin is, it's like a tune which is played by a snake charmer. So so that's how it sounds. And to demonstrate some further features, so we have implemented the scale change. So the three buttons that you see right here. So the yellow button corresponds to the default C scale. There's a green button which shifts to G scale, and the red button shifts to A scale. So the moment I press green, it would play in that's the G scale. Moment I press red, it plays in that's the A scale. Also, we have tried making this instrument a little more intelligent. So if you are going to play this instrument in the low lighted conditions, then probably this instrument is going to sense that you might be playing this for a party, and it's going to start flashing some good disco lights. So,
So what I'll do is so we have used a photoresistor for that purpose. So the photoresistor is going to detect if there is light, present in this particular environment, and if there's a dim lighting condition, then it's basically going to turn on that LED there. So this is for all the party animals out there. So I'm going to cover up this particular photoresistor, and this means that the current sensor, the photoresistor sensor, is not going to detect any light. So if you notice, there's an LED right here. So when Mangirish is going to play any of these notes, the LED is going to light up. So what we've done is just to simulate an actual condition. So we have kind of also dimmed the main light here. So let's go ahead and show you how it looks like. There. So that was a simple demonstration of this particular musical strip that we implemented, or it's also called as a musical fingerboard. So although it's not a very comprehensive device, but we've tried to incorporate most of the features in there, and like the scale change, the intelligent sensing of the lighting conditions to emit different lights through the LEDs, using the soft potentiometer to actually detect the sense, or to basically detect the pressure on the strip, and using the flex sensor to kind of simulate the sense in it.
so hope you enjoyed the demo. Thank you very much for
Thank you
watching.
very much for watching.